Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a dough for a mini tart. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is mix butter and powdered sugar. Mix it in a bowl. It's gonna take about a few minutes, so the powdered sugar will incorporate together with the butter. After mixing the butter and powdered sugar, you should have this fluffy texture. Set aside for a bit. Then in another small bowl mix 1 egg with 3 tablespoons of milk and add the vanilla extract. Add this gradually to the butter and icing sugar. Next, it's a pinch of salt. And don't forget, all your ingredients should be sifted, so the texture is going to be really smooth. Here it is the flour. Add the flour gradually. And continue mixing. Once all the ingredients are mixed well, that's how it's gonna look. The dough, just fold the dough a few times. It has to be soft, and it does smell really amazing. Few folds. Don't be so hard on it. Then give it the shape of a ball. Close it with a cling, and it goes in the fridge for about an hour, hour and a half. Okay, so the next thing we need to prepare is the tart filling for the tart shells. So let's start with the mascarpone cheese. Those are the required ingredients. Kindly follow all the measurements in the recipe below the video. Cooking cream, a pinch of salt, and powdered sugar. Those are the ingredients for the tart shells, for the filling. Mix well. You can use a hand mixer as well. So what I'm gonna do to make it more colorful, the filling, I'm going to add a food coloring. That's a red color, but if you don't have, it's not a must to add. Just a little bit of it. Look at that color, guys. Look at that. Look at this color. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yummy-licious! Whoa! That's lovely feeling. Before baking, grease your tins. You can use vegetable oil or butter, just any fat. Okay guys, now when you have done all the tart shells, prick the unbaked shells so it doesn't puff in the oven. Bake it in preheated oven at 170 for 12-14 minutes.